I'm just here demonstrating some guided surgery. So I've been going through this case, which is a full arch on implant work, all done digitally with a 3D guide, 3D printed guide, a 3D printed bridge and Atlantis abutments. So these are the implant placements using the guided surgery implant studio from 3Shape to design the guide and design the position of the implants. We left a few teeth in to give something for the guide to lock onto. So after that, we took fixture head scans, did remove some teeth and the Atlantis abutments, all done separately. So the lab designed the Atlantis abutments. They were then made and a guide made by Atlantis for seating. Then the 3D printed model was done in-house by myself on the Rapidshape D20 printer. I also 3D printed a bridge to go straight onto that. This is the bridge seated on the Atlantis abutments on the model. And then it was a kind of one-shot thing where I had to take the remaining teeth out, fit the abutments and hope the bridge fitted. So that's it again on the model. This is the teeth out and the healing caps out and the implants ready for the Atlantis abutments. So we then use the transfer jigs to place the abutments in the right position. Screwed those in finger tight. That's the abutments in place with the teeth out and then the bridge seated directly onto that. And everything fitted first time with no adjustments, and I shouldn't be surprised, but I was a little, and that worked well.